All right, guys, so welcome to the 2025 Chicago Auto Show. And the first thing I see here, as soon as you get into it, is this Mustang GTD. Now, this car is a beast. You can see how wide this car is compared even to the Dark Horse. This thing is massive. I mean, take a look at the front here. Even the front splitter, see how wide this thing is? It is a monster. And check out these louvers in the wheel well. Really, really huge out there. And let's see here, we can go around people here now. This one has, take a look at the brakes. Very massive brakes again. Again, this is a race car. Nothing but pure race car right here. And even the spoilers, take a look at the spoilers. This thing is massive. And I like the color combination, the white and the red. So we can go around people here. I mean, this spoiler is massive. And I like how it's got the Mustang under it as well. Take a look at this. And also, take a look at the exhaust section and the spoiler and the diffuser, sorry. And also in the middle section, it's got the GTD over it. Let's go over to the side so you can see the side profile of it. Again, there are a lot of people in this Chicago Auto Show. Take a look at this from the back. It's really massive. Wish we can go inside, but again, this is all blocked off. You can't really see anything. Now, finally, I'll show you the front of it. Again, there are a lot of people here, so you gotta go around people. So side profile, you can see here, it's very wide. Also, I like, he's got the big louvers at the front. And the rear, it's got this huge spoiler. Take a look at this Toyota. I mean, compare this to the Bronco, I think I would go with this Toyota. It is lovely. Take a look at the whole, see how big this thing is. And this is the Land Cruiser. Let's see here. Take a look at that. This has got the ROX on the side. This is a pure off-road. And this car will rival the Ford Bronco. Let's take a look at the interior here. It's all rugged in the interior as well. And if you see the door, when you close the door, it's got this opening down here as well. Let's close this one here completely. Take a look at that. It's got the opening down here. So really, really interesting here. Take a look at the whole back of it. And these are some big wheels here. I believe these are like 36s or something. Very wide. So comparing this to the Bronco, I think I would go with this Toyota. This is lovely. Now there's some nice concept here that I would otherwise not see anywhere. And this is really, really interesting now. Sorry, there are a lot of people here, but this is the Kia concept. Take a look at this. Now this thing is interesting. Now, I'm not sure of the name actually, but take a look at this. Looks like an off-road electric van. It's got the winch in the front as well. Take a look at the front side. Obviously, it's got the Kia design feature, which obviously you know is a Kia. Let's take a look at the side of this. It's got some off-road tires as well. And again, this is full electric. It's got some huge off-road tires. And even the interior, you take a look at the interior. We can't go in, but you can take a look at that. Really minimal, I think. And if you go over to the back of it, this thing is massive. And again, it's a camper as well, because you can see it's got the camper up top. So you could take this off-roading and really enjoy this car. Let's take a look at the back of it. Wow, this is really lovely. This is an Acura Performance EV concept. See how nice this is how nice this thing is. This thing is massive. Again, I believe these are like 23-inch wheels. And the stance of it is very wide. It's got this slopey design at the back. And again, this is full electric. I believe this is the charging port back there. And let's take a look at the front. See how wild this thing is. Again, it's got the light concept up there. It's got some side panel there for air. And again, really, really nice concepts here. Again, it's got some aerodynamic features in it. As you can see there, it's got the vents up there over the hood. Now over this section is the Corvettes. So this one here is the Corvette 2025 Corvette Z06. This is a convertible. Again, this one is out in the market already with the carbon fiber wheels. So we go over to the section now. This is I believe the chassis and how it's built. Actually, you can see here all the components in it and all the cooler it's got. So it's got like 3 in the front here, and we go over to the side of it. So take a look at the side, see how it's molded. Really interesting. And over to the back of it now, where the engine is with the suspension. See how everything is packaged in there. Let's go over to the back here. A lot of people here. So you can see how this is packaged here. And very massive tires. Take a look at the exhaust system. And also you can see it's got the transmission right in there. So nicely built. How everything's all packaged in there. And over to this section now. This one here is the brand new Corvette ZR1. The 1060, I believe this is a 1064 horsepower. Now, take a look at this. This thing is lovely. This is a brand new Corvette ZR1. So let's go over to the side and take a look at it. You see the side view. A lot of people, you gotta go through a lot of people, but take a look at this thing here. This thing is lovely. I mean, from the outside, it doesn't really have a lot of differences, but over to the side, you can see it's got the air intake on the side here with carbon fiber components on it. Huge wheels. And also this one comes with a huge spoiler.
We can reach over.
Really, really massive there.
Excuse me. Oh, she wants a picture.
Oh, it's fine. I'll just go. So over to the back here, see all exhaust and the spoiler. This thing is massive, boy. This thing is massive, man. 1064 horsepower. It's gonna be great when you start seeing these cars on the road and people driving it. Obviously, top speed is over 230, I believe 236 miles an hour. This thing is gonna be fast. I mean, this is gonna beat a lot of cars. I mean, even this is naturally aspirated as well. No electric batteries in this car. This thing is gonna be fast. Let's see if we can take a look at the description of it. So over the description here, you can see it's got 1064 horsepower, 5.5 liter V8 engine. Top speed is 233 miles an hour, and the quarter mile is 9.6 seconds. So this thing is fast. I mean, this thing is gonna be competing with Ferraris and Lambos, and I believe with a top speed like that, it's gonna claim a lot of cars, man. It's gonna claim a lot of. But we'll see what this car will do, definitely. And on the side here, it's got the BMW M5, the brand new one. Again, these are some massive diffusers here. Quad exhaust. I love this red color as well, the carbon fiber spoiler in the back. Let's take a look at the front of it. A lot of people in this car, so you can't really see the interior. You can snake through, just kind of see a preview of it. Can't really see it actually. Carbon fiber interior as well. And nice wheels. Over the front, you can see it's got huge intakes. I love this red color. It really brings out the features on this BMW M5. Really lovely. Now the one car that I haven't seen yet is this car, the Lamborghini Revuelto. Now this thing looks mad. This thing is massive. Take a look at this. It looks very small, but this thing is big. So this is the Lamborghini Revuelto. Really interesting. It'd be nice to hear how this car sounds when you start it and also drive it. Take a look at this. And also, it's got the spoiler open already. So let me know what you guys think. The Lamborghini Revuelto looks really interesting. Over the further section, it's got the Rolls-Royce Wraith. This side here has got the Lamborghini Urus. And this is the brand new Bentley Continental. Again, the facelift, actually. So it's got the facelift here. So really interesting. Obviously, it's got the old one on this section here. And the Cullinan right up there. So nice concept cars out here. They got the G-Wagon. Obviously, this is not the electric, but this has got the V8 bi-turbo and the Ferraris here. So it's got the Roma and the 296 GTB.
Can you imagine driving that?
So really interesting there. And over the further section, you can see the Aston Martin Vantage. Interesting car, and some McLarens on the other section too. All right, guys, so those are some of the cars that I've seen here that are really interesting. The Mustang GTD stands out, very massive. Imagine taking that car out on the racetrack. You would kill the racetrack right there. And the other one was the Toyota Off-Roader. Very nice concept car there. So I think for me, I would do that compared to the Bronco. I think that would probably beat the Bronco. It looks even nicer than the Bronco in my opinion, actually. So those ones are nice cars, and also the new Kia concept, which will be interesting to see the final form of it. So let me know what you guys feel about the whole, some of the cars that I've shown here, and also take a look at the videos. Let me know what you guys like about it, comment, and also share. So don't forget to subscribe to my video, and we'll see you in the next video.